Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome to our comprehensive guide to managing your car's maintenance schedule. Today, we'll dive into essential tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. The ultimate guide to managing your car maintenance schedule. Car maintenance is crucial for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and preventing costly repairs down the road. In this post, we will discuss how to effectively manage your car maintenance schedule to ensure the longevity of your vehicle and your safety on the road. Whether you're a new car owner or someone looking to improve your current maintenance routine, these tips will help you stay on top of your car's upkeep. Importance of regular car maintenance. Regular car maintenance is crucial for ensuring safety and saving costs in the long run. Ensuring safety. Maintaining a regular car maintenance schedule is essential for ensuring the safety of the driver, passengers, and others on the road. This includes checking and replacing worn-out brakes, monitoring tire tread and pressure, inspecting lights and signals, and ensuring the proper functioning of the vehicle's steering and suspension systems. Neglecting these maintenance tasks can lead to hazardous driving conditions, increasing the risk of accidents and injuries. Cost savings. Adhering to a consistent car maintenance schedule can lead to significant cost savings over time. By addressing minor issues early on, drivers can prevent more extensive and expensive repairs down the line. Regular oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid checks can help maintain the vehicle's performance and longevity. Additionally, proactive maintenance can contribute to better fuel efficiency, reducing overall fuel costs and minimizing the need for major engine repairs. I hope this section is helpful to you. Creating a car maintenance schedule. Referencing the owner's manual. When it comes to creating a car maintenance schedule, one of the first steps is to reference the owner's manual that came with your vehicle. The manual provides detailed information on the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance intervals, including when to change the oil, check the brakes, inspect the tires, and more. Each make and model may have specific requirements, so it's essential to follow the guidelines outlined in the manual to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your car. Setting reminders. Once you've familiarized yourself with the maintenance requirements for your vehicle, it's crucial to set reminders for these tasks. You can leverage technology by using smartphone apps, calendar alerts, or specialized car maintenance apps to schedule reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, fluid checks, and other routine maintenance activities. Setting these reminders will help you stay on top of your car's maintenance needs and avoid missing essential servicing, thereby preventing potential issues down the road. By referencing the owner's manual and leveraging reminders, you can proactively manage your car's maintenance schedule, ensuring that your vehicle remains in top condition for years to come. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. And a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Essential car maintenance checks. Routine car maintenance is crucial for ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and stays in good condition. By performing these essential checks regularly, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your car in top shape. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are vital for the longevity of your engine. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts, reduces friction, and helps to dissipate heat. To maintain optimal performance, it's recommended to change the oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or as indicated in your vehicle's manual. Tire maintenance. Checking your tire pressure, tread depth, and overall condition is essential for safety and performance. Properly inflated tires ensure better fuel efficiency and traction, while adequate tread depth is critical for maintaining grip on the road. Regularly inspect and rotate your tires to promote even wear and extend their lifespan. Fluid levels. Various fluids, such as coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid, play vital roles in your vehicle's operation. Regularly monitor and maintain appropriate levels of these fluids to prevent overheating, transmission issues, and brake system malfunctions. Refer to your owner's manual for specific guidelines on checking and replenishing these fluids. Brake inspections. Brakes are a fundamental safety feature of any vehicle. Routinely inspecting brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels is essential for ensuring your ability to stop effectively and safely. Address any signs of wear or deterioration promptly to prevent further damage and maintain optimal braking performance. Battery health. A well-functioning battery is essential for starting your car and powering various electrical components. Check the battery terminals for corrosion, ensure secure connections, and monitor the battery's overall condition. If you notice any signs of deterioration or experience difficulty starting your car, have the battery tested and replaced if necessary. By staying proactive with these essential car maintenance checks, you can enhance the reliability, safety, and longevity of your vehicle. Regular attention to these areas will help you address issues promptly and keep your car running at its best. Finding a reliable mechanic. Before entrusting your car to a mechanic, it's crucial to ensure that you're working with a reliable professional. Here are some key steps to guide you through the process. Ask for recommendations. Start by reaching out to friends, family, and coworkers for recommendations. Personal referrals can provide valuable insight into the quality of service, pricing, and overall experience with a particular mechanic. Additionally, consider seeking recommendations from online car enthusiast forums or social media groups where fellow car owners are likely to share their experiences. Research and reviews. Once you have a list of potential mechanics, conduct thorough research on each one. Look for online reviews and testimonials to gauge customer satisfaction and experiences. Pay attention to recurring themes in the reviews, such as professionalism, transparency, and quality of work. Websites like Yelp, Google Reviews, and Angie's List can be valuable resources for gathering this information. Communication and trust. When interacting with potential mechanics, pay attention to their communication style and level of transparency. A trustworthy mechanic will take the time to explain repairs and pricing in an easily understandable way. They should also be open to answering any questions you have and providing clear estimates before starting any work. Trust your instincts and choose a mechanic with whom you feel comfortable communicating and entrusting your car. By following these steps, you can confidently choose a reliable mechanic who will keep your car in top condition, providing peace of mind and a smooth driving experience. Keeping records of maintenance. Maintaining a thorough record of your car's maintenance is essential for ensuring its longevity and performance. By using digital tools and apps, you can conveniently track scheduled maintenance tasks and keep your vehicle in top condition. Additionally, organizing paperwork for your car's maintenance history provides important documentation for any future servicing or potential resale. Digital tools and apps. Utilize digital tools and apps designed specifically for car maintenance record-keeping. These user-friendly applications offer features such as maintenance schedule tracking, service reminders, and expense logging. Incorporating these digital resources into your routine simplifies the process of managing your car's maintenance history, making it more efficient and accessible. Organizing paperwork. In addition to digital methods, organizing paperwork is a fundamental aspect of maintaining accurate maintenance records for your vehicle. Create a designated filing system for service receipts, invoices, and maintenance reports. Categorizing these documents chronologically or by type enables quick and easy retrieval when needed. Furthermore, consider using clear plastic sleeves or folders to protect and preserve the paperwork from wear and tear. Adhering to the schedule, prioritizing urgent repairs. When it comes to managing your car maintenance schedule, prioritizing urgent repairs is crucial. Ignoring immediate issues can lead to more extensive and costly problems down the line. Whether it's a malfunctioning brake system or a faulty engine component, addressing urgent repairs promptly is essential for your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. By taking the time to identify and prioritize urgent repairs, you can prevent small issues from escalating into major concerns. Staying proactive. Staying proactive in managing your car maintenance schedule is key to ensuring the overall health and performance of your vehicle. Instead of waiting for problems to arise, proactive maintenance involves staying ahead of potential issues. This includes adhering to regular service intervals, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks. By staying proactive, you can detect and address minor issues before they turn into major headaches, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. In summation, managing your car maintenance schedule is crucial for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. By staying organized, following the manufacturer's recommendations, and addressing issues promptly, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure a safe driving experience. Remember to keep detailed records, prioritize regular checkups, and seek professional assistance when needed. By adhering to a well-planned car maintenance schedule, you can extend the lifespan of your vehicle and maintain its value over time. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.